Today I'm showing you why your Freshtunes song that you've applied to get onto all platforms including Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Shorts, YouTube Music, TikTok has been stuck in the review process. So first things first, I have a song out on Spotify called Glorious Australia. You can see it's there right now and it's active on the marketplace. So how exactly did I ensure that it got through the review process? Well, first things first, the most important thing is that the name of your song matches up to the name on your artwork. So Glorious Australia has to match Glorious Australia in the name and in the title. The artist name has to be exactly the same as what's on the title, or the artwork I should say. You cannot have anything that's different, and the artwork itself to actually upload has to have, for example, the right dimensions, not be too big in file size, less than 10 megabytes, and it has to be a square. And you can see you can't have brand logos, social media logos or text. Maybe even on your shirt, if you've got a big logo, maybe that's being flagged by the system. So first things first, if your thing is stuck in review, maybe it's because you need to ultimately sort out the title and the artwork. When it comes to the track list, if your song's uploaded, make sure you have the right boxes ticked for explicit content. So does the track include any offensive language? Perhaps you've sworn or something like that. If you have, then make sure you mark it as explicit. But if you're completely clean, then you can write down non-explicit. And if there's another version that is clean versus has swearing or something like that, then make sure you select clean, but there's another version. Regarding the artist, this is another thing that gets quite a few songs stuck in the review process. Make sure you have filled out during your sending off process the composer, the songwriter, and the primary artist. This has to be correct. Don't worry about creating a Spotify profile or for an artist or an artist profile. Once your song's out there, you can then go on to claim that as well. So that doesn't have to be done to start with. And your song, well, just make sure that everything is aligned. You've got the right format and everything like that. And then for the delivery platforms, people are asking often as well, why is my song not released to certain platforms? You have to ensure that all of your parameters are selected here in the distribution arc. So when you review it, assuming your title's correct, it matches your artwork, your artist name's correct, it matches your artwork, you should be on to have your track sent out within a few weeks. It should pass a review process, and it has worked for me, it's worked for people around me. But if there's any questions, then please do let me know.